Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 19th, 2021. You guys can already tell. Bitcoin is down almost 8% today. You're going to hear a lot of people try to explain to you why the market in Bitcoin is going down. But for us, you have to be in position already to understand and win when the market goes down, or at least minimize the losses that you may be incurring in the market in Bitcoin. It's too late after the fact, once you see the market in Bitcoin down 8%, to try to come in and try to give you all a heads up as to, okay, this is the reason why Bitcoin dropped. No, you need to try to give everyone that answer right before the market drops so that they can make the necessary adjustments in this space before they get crushed, right? And this is what we're all about. We're here to give you all a price prediction in the markets for these cryptocurrencies so that we can make the best adjustments in this space so that we can profit into the market, or at best maintain the profitability that we accumulated over the last couple of days, 2 weeks, to years. So if you all want to continue to learn this, make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe, and also come back and view these videos constantly so that you can become more proficient on your own, so that you can read the charts for yourself. And then on top of that, you'll be able to alleviate and watch out for the traps that the market trap always tried to leave behind, right? Because we did a video in Bitcoin back on May the 13th. You know, we've had this prediction in the market in Bitcoin ongoing since April the 24th, under the premise that the market in Bitcoin was going to drop in price. So while everyone else is trying to figure out what's going on, the fear, the FOMO, the FUD is now about to impel into this market, when we were already sitting back waiting for the market to drop all the way back there on April the 24th. So we did an update on May the 13th, letting you all know that we were still expecting the market in Bitcoin to drop in price. This is something that we're all about. We're not going to be emotional when it comes to these prices. You know, we are already in position capitalizing in the market. So if you're relatively new, you need to make sure that you continually watch this channel, because we're not going to push any FUD, any hype, any FOMO into the market on you. If the market's going to go higher in price, we'll let you know. If the market's going to dip in price, just as is the case for Bitcoin today, we'll let you know that as well too. So congratulations. You know, we was already there waiting for everyone else to get there. Everyone is acting all surprised that the market of Bitcoin is dropping, but we was already there. 14.77% was touched into the market on May the 17th. So excellent job. So now that is done, that is over. Obviously, we need to adjust our price chart now. So let's go ahead and get rid of that wonderful price prediction we did back there on April the 24th. Updated you all on May the 13th. Now, I'm gonna zoom out, and this is the chart. This is what has occurred into the market in Bitcoin over the last 2 years. We were in a massively good uptrend. Over the last couple of videos that we did in Bitcoin, we were simply watching the market trade between our two lines. Well, now Bitcoin has broken that support line to the downside. So automatically you need to be thinking that the market in Bitcoin is no longer strong. Our main focus now is trying to make that determination as to where support is going to be. Okay, so let's get rid of this top line right here. Okay, we're going to show you all how to read a price chart without using any indicators. Anyone who uses indicators has no idea as to how the market really operates. You can understand where prices are going to go without using pointless indicators. So now I want to take this support line right there that I got drawn on the chart for Bitcoin, and I want to show you all something. Okay, something that we need to pay attention to that no one else is going to show you. Do you see that? The market in Bitcoin now is touching, okay, the overall trend into the market that we've started all the way back here since October of 2020. This is the overall trend right here. This is the pristine area, at least if we're going to continue to see Bitcoin go higher in price, to purchase the market right now. Right there around $39,647. That is the price right there that we need to come in and purchase Bitcoin. Okay, you see that? So as we do this video, make sure we need to see strength coming to the market right now in Bitcoin. Because if we don't, we'll see the market in Bitcoin continually drop in price. So now I'm going to hold that line here. This is going to be our decision maker right here over the next couple of days. We need to see the market volume increase, and we need to see strength enter into the market in Bitcoin right now in order for us to maintain the ability to go higher in price. So let's look at this on a different time frame then. So this is the 2-day time frame in the market in Bitcoin. Okay, bring this down just a tad. So we may have another bout of lower prices to go through into the market of Bitcoin, maybe around 37,500, right? 3-day time frame. So yeah, the market in Bitcoin is still giving us weakness, and this is our new area of restriction. Don't expect the market in Bitcoin to go higher until we see price break back up above 43,100, all the way up here towards 45, almost $46,000. Okay, this is our newest area of restriction right there. 5-day time frame. The 5-day time frame in Bitcoin is real weak. The last two 5-day price bars, inclusive of the current 5-day price bar, lets us know that the market in Bitcoin is extremely weak. On the weekly time frame, again, you guys can tell that the market in Bitcoin is still giving us a lot of weakness here. 2 weeks time frame is even scarier. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm not going to give you any excitement, any hype, because I don't want to put you all in some very bad positions thinking that everything's going to be a moonshot up to higher prices. This 2-week time frame, which we have 4 days and 14 hours left, is definitely worrisome, unless you know how weak the market in Bitcoin really is. Okay, 3 weeks time frame, even worse. We got 11 days and 14 hours left, but the current 3-week price bar, on one 3-week price bar, the market in Bitcoin has erased all of the work. It has taken what, 3 or 4 3-weekly price bars, 12 weeks of price action pushing the price higher in Bitcoin is now erased in one. That gives you shows you overall how weak the market in Bitcoin really is. Okay, the 5-week time frame is even the same thing. So I'm telling you, in the next 4 days and 14 hours, if we're still trading at the low of these weekly price bars, whether it's the 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, or 5 week, we have lower price movement to go through in Bitcoin in the long term. Okay, so now let's do this real quick, because we're still going to play the weakness into the market in Bitcoin, right? But as I've stated earlier out in the video, the market still has the ability to hold price right here on this ascending line, which is around $37,600. So we'll come in and TP out a little bit of profitability into the market in Bitcoin right there. It's only 5, almost 6% profitability into the market in Bitcoin, but the weakness is definitely in play in the long term. All right, I don't think we're done in the market in Bitcoin of going lower, which means that the prospect of this ascending line, of this overall trend of being broken, is definitely on the table, and it's something that needs to be considered. So I'm going to extend it down just a tad, not much. Maybe we might get a quick touch of price in Bitcoin around $35,000, and that's about it. And then we'll come back in and update you all as to what the market has done. But this is what we're seeing on the price chart, right? The trap has dropped down his ideas as to where he's going to take the price. And right now he is showing us that he wants to continually lower the value of Bitcoin in the marketplace. So let's do it. We're going to follow what he has dropped on the chart. So now it's your turn. I want you all to tell me, what do you all see as a support price in the market for Bitcoin? How low do you think the market is going to go in Bitcoin before we see at least a couple of days to where the market's going to trade sideways? So drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know. Give me your price prediction into the market in Bitcoin. Where do you think the price is going to be? I would say over the next 2 weeks, I want you all to tell me where will price be in Bitcoin, because you need to learn how to read the market for yourself as well. Okay, so let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.